Hello kids, I'm Priyanka and I'm back again with my new chapter, Unfriendly Nature. Natural disasters are sudden changes in an environment which causes damage and destruction. This includes earthquake, drought, landslides and cyclone. An earthquake is a series of shock that results from sudden movement below the surface of Earth. Earthquake takes place when large plates of land collide with each other, releasing energy. The strength of an earthquake is measured with Richter scale by an instrument called seismograph. What are the do's and don'ts? Bend down under a desk or a coat during the earthquake. Stay there till the shock stop. Stay away from glass window. Outside, move away from trees. Signboards, building, electric poles. Stop driving during tremors. Do not push others on stand under fan. Don't use a lift in big buildings. Don't use light fires. Don't rush out to the stadiums. Don't travel just after the earthquake. Indian flea monsoon flood. Part of Assam and the neighboring state of Arunachal Pradesh remaining cut off from the rest of the country as flooding water have destroyed transportation link. Flood affect northeast India every year. In August 2000, flood killed around 100 people and left 70,000 people homeless in Assam. A flood occurs when water flows from or rises above its natural level. It can be caused by heavy rainfall, high tide with storm, or melting snow flowing into the river. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra river cause the largest flood in India. Other area in the west, east, and south are also attacked by flood. Floods are results of soil erosion and the silting of river beds or collapse of a dam. Now, what are the do's and don'ts if a rain causes flood? Do's: know the route of the nearest safe shelters, keep medicines, strong ropes, radio torch batteries, store clothes, dry foods, fresh water, kerosene, candles, matchboxes in polythene bag in a kit, listen to the local radios, watch TV for warning, drink boiled water. And don'ts: don't eat food that have got wet in flood water. Do not remain on empty stomach. Do not get into water for unknown depth and current. Do not drink tap water without boiling. Now, drought effect. Every year, village near Bikaner in Rajasthan spend the period between July and September in waiting and praying for rain. The villagers don't have money to buy even food. The drought directly or indirectly affects the people. Drought happens when an area receives lesser rainfall than normal levels. It is a condition of acute scarcity of water, flood, foods, and unemployment. The serious result of droughts are crop failures and lack of drinking water. What can we do to fight serious result of drought? Do and don'ts: do grow, plant and take care of them, protect and restore degraded land, collect and store rainwater. And don'ts: don't misuse or waste water, don't destroy forests, pastures and trees, don't let domestic animals overgraze. Thank you.